Ilang taong ka nung nagpakasal ka?
I was 27.
Oh, 27. Right age.
No, that's not right. That was late during our time. Now, 27 is early, ah.
Oo. Kasi ngayon 30 plus.
30 plus.
Nag-aasap.
Parang,
So,
what?
nung time na yun, 27, late in the game
Late
ka na.
yun. Oh, yung mama ko laging, kailan ka magpapakasal? Kasi baka tumandang-dalaga ka. Sobra akong nakaka-stress.
Oh.
Pag 30 ka na, tapos wala ka pa. During our time, and during my mama's time, 20, late na yung 21.
Mag-asawa?
Oo, yun ang normal. 20, 20.
21, 22 may asawa na.
Dapat may baby ka na.
22 may anak na.
Yes!
Oo, nung
Like my
dati,
mother-in-law, parang 3 kids na siya at the age of 22.
Ah, grabe.
Oo, ganun. Tapos now, di ba parang, what, 27? That's too early. Ba't ka mag-aasawa? Di ba?
34 ang
Di ba?
peg
Maaga pa rin.
Iba nga 30 na ayaw
Oo,
pa mag-asawa.
oo, yeah.
So, bakit ka nga late nag-asawa, 27?
That time, 7 years kami ng husband ko.
7 years?
Yes, 7 years. Munti ko nang iwanan. Masyadong matagal.
7 years?
Yeah, sabi ng mama ko, hindi pwede long engagement.
Oh.
Ayaw ng mom ko yun.
So, nakilala mo siya, 21 years old ka.
19.
19 naging kayo. Saan kayo nagkakilala?
Through common friend, and Lasal siya, and ako naman, St. Paul. So, it's very near. Tapos, common friend lang. So, every day, sinusundo niya ako to go to school, drop me sa school, tapos siya punta sa school, and then susunduin niya ako.
Pero tinanong ba siya, ano yung reason bakit na-in-love ka sa akin? Kasi magkaiba kayo ng personality. Anong sagot niya?
Tony, the first time he saw me,
In love na siya?
nakatunga nga siya sa face ko. Parang, sobra siyang na-pretty, naganda sa
Na-prettyhan?
Talagang ayaw niya.
Nakaganyan?
Nakaganyan. Tapos, sakay kami sa car. Pag sakay sa car, pag may traffic light na, titingin lang yan habang naka-red light. Nakatingin lang yan.
sa'yo? Ganda siya sa'yo, mukha ka-artista nun.
Ang tingin niya sa akin, very tisay ako. Kasi curly hair ako.
Oo.
Kasi I'm born with the curly hair. So, curly talaga yung hair ko. So, talagang nakamusyan.
Tapos mistisa.
Yeah.
Tapos nung naging mommy ka na, paano ka naman nabago? 4 kids, grabe.
Oh my gosh.
Grabe.
Sobrang wala akong alam sa pag-alaga ng baby. Siyempre, lahat naman, di ba? Hindi kasi ako, first baby sa family namin, yung son ko.
Tapos umabot ng 4 kids.
Umabot ng 4 kids. And, yeah.
Yung dream mo ba
And
yung
I had
big
a hard
ka?
time getting pregnant. 3 years married, wala pa akong baby. Tapos, 2 years. Pero I'm always on fertility, treatment. Hindi normal.
So you got married 27, 31 ka?
Yes.
Nagkaroon ng first kid?
I consulted like 8 to 10 OBGYN. Kasi ayaw akong mag-pregnant. Hanggang one time, I went pa to China to pray. My husband and I, we danced pa sa Ubando.
Oh, sumayo pa kayo sa Ubando.
Yes, kasi nga parang naho-hopeless 3 years.
Oh, hindi magkaanak.
And there was one OBGYN who told us na, sorry, small, hindi ka na magkaka-baby. You know what? There was a time, buong 1 year, I was always sa Makati Med, 3 weeks in a month. Imagine, 3 weeks in a month. I was in Makati Med for fertility monitoring. 1 week lang akong wala sa hospital, buong year. And then, suddenly, sinabi na talaga ng Dr. Marisa, you really have to stop doing this to yourself. You really have to relax. Stop it. Kasi buong 12 months, every 3 weeks of the month.
Nasa ospital ka?
9 a.m., nakapila na ako sa transvaginal ultrasound.
Paano na yung nalaman mong buntis ka?
Oh my gosh, yung friends ng mother-in-law ko were asking na, pregnant. Sabi, and my mom-in-law said, no, wala yan. That time pala I was pregnant na. I had my yung manhihilot.
Oo.
Tapos I lied down sa bed, mga 1 month, basta after the hilot. And that time, I got pregnant.
Dahil lang sa mahihilot?
I think kasi, parang it helped me.
Di naiyak ka nung nalaman mong buntis ka.
Sobrang I cannot believe. I keep on testing. Alam mo yun, pregnancy test. I keep on repeating. I cannot believe. Tapos, ayoko na, sa bed na ako, ayoko nang gumalaw. Kasi baka mawala.
So after, and then nagsunod-sunod na yung kids mo, hindi ba?
Yeah.
Tapos nung time na yon, you were just really happy being a housewife, supporting your husband, tapos you have your own business.
There's a time, walang reason, nadadown ako.
Na-depress ka?
Oh, yeah. Pero I don't know what's the reason.
Ano mga year yan? Nung na-depress ka?
Mga
2018?
2000, yes.
2018?
Yeah, na-depress lang ko. Sabi ko, why? That's the hardest part when you don't know the reason. I have no reason. I cry. Wala. Why? Parang I got so... nagkaka-anxiety ako.
Dahil
Reason.
wala ka nang ginagawa.
Wala na akong ginagawa. Parang you're just at home the whole time.